Hey, what's up everyone? It's Rolling Hunter. We all know the feeling. You're grinding at your job, but the dream is to make money even when you're not working. That's where passive income comes in. Imagine making money while you sleep. In this video, I'm breaking down the best passive income ideas for beginners in 2025. So grab your notebooks and let's unlock your financial freedom together. First up, dividend stocks. It's like planting a money tree that keeps bearing fruit. When you buy a dividend stock, you're buying a tiny piece of a company. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a portion of their profits, distributed as dividends. Apps like Robinhood and Fidelity make it super accessible for beginners. Focus on reliable companies with a proven track record of paying and increasing dividends. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble. By reinvesting those dividends, you can take advantage of compound growth. You're literally making money in your sleep. Next up, print on demand, a fantastic option for creative entrepreneurs. This business model leverages your design skills to create unique products without dealing with inventory, production, or shipping. You create designs for products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. Upload those designs to platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printful. These companies handle everything else: printing, processing orders, shipping, and customer service. When someone purchases a product with your design, you earn a commission. The key to success is creating eye-catching designs and mastering marketing. Promote your designs on social media, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers. Let's talk about digital products, a game changer in the passive income world. Create valuable digital assets like ebooks, online courses, templates, or stock photos. Once created, you can sell them unlimited times without additional production or shipping costs. Reach a global audience through online marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Identify a problem you can solve or a need you can fulfill within your niche. Create a high-quality digital product that delivers exceptional value. Leverage social media, content marketing, and email lists to get your product in front of the right people. Now let's dive into affiliate marketing, a popular and potentially lucrative passive income stream. Promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Choose products that align with your niche and audience's interests. Promote them on your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Be authentic and provide genuine value to your audience. The more your audience trusts your recommendations, the more likely they are to click on your affiliate links and make a purchase. Last but not least, let's talk about REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate properties. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying a share of that company and a piece of their real estate portfolio. REITs are legally required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. Enjoy the benefits of real estate ownership without the headaches of property management. Invest in REIT stocks through brokerage accounts or REIT ETFs for instant diversification. This is a great option for beginners who want to spread their risk across multiple properties and sectors. Do your research, understand the risks, and choose REITs that align with your financial goals. Just like with any investment, it's crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved. There you have it. 5 powerful passive income ideas to kickstart your journey toward financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. Remember, passive income isn't about getting rich overnight, it's about building smart systems for long-term freedom. Choose an idea that resonates with you, aligns with your skills and interests, and take action. Don't let analysis paralysis hold you back. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is right now. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which passive income idea you'll start with in 2025.